Hi, this is Fireworks Zone, and this video will show you how to customize the Fireworks user interface. First step, I undock the 5 main elements of the interface. Second step, I redock them. To remove an interface element, select and drag it out of the dock by its tab or title bar. You can drag it into another dock to create a new layout or make it floating. In the Fireworks interface, when you cursor, it's a zone where a blue line appears. It indicates that you can dock or undock elements and customize your interface.